Here's a new brake controller I just bought. It's a Quest brand. It's got some part number here, and I was ready to install it on my truck. You can hear that something rattles inside. No, it's not the buttons, so I held the buttons down like so and rattled it, and it still rattles. So we're gonna go inside and see what's the thing that rattles. This probably voids the warranty, if there was a warranty ever. So there you go. That thing has just fallen out. I'm not sure if this is a vital part of it. You can see that's a tactile switch. This just out of the box. I just bought it. So that makes me wonder if all the functions will work properly. So there's this plate covering it. And you can see all the buttons inside. And there's a tactile switch similar to that right here. And there must be two more switches. So there's one switch here. There's another one here. There's one more here. These all seem to be working. And this is the adjustment for the bias. It's just a sliding switch. So if I do the count here, on the outside we have this switch here that one can use to adjust or to turn on the brake on and off. There's one switch on the side which rests right there, and there's two more switches here, and they are all accounted for in a PCB. So 1, 2, 3, and they all seem to be intact. And there's this thing here, this sliding switch. So this was clearly something from the assembly, an extra piece that has just fallen in there during the assembly process, and it was just making a rattling noise inside. So there you go. It's a small little piece of a tactile switch that had nothing to do with this particular assembly. I'm looking at it and there is no obvious signs that it would be missing from somewhere, although you can see that it's the same size as that switch. So it's the same size switch as these, but this probably has broken off from a different assembly, or it was just a part during the assembly process that fall into the clamshell and then stayed in a clamshell. There you go. So the PCB is back in the clamshell. This switch works. This switch works. That one works. So I'm just gonna go and reassemble everything. Hopefully put the parts back. All of them. Okay. lowest settings on the driver. There you have it. Quest brake controller with an extra part. Does not rattle anymore. Thanks for watching. See you next time.